So, where have I up to? If you watched my videos from the start, you'll have known that I said that I was expecting another baby in November. She was born last week, another girl, so that's 4 girls now. So I haven't really done much to the caravan. We've been doing little bits inside to try and get it ready really. So I have actually started sanding the van, as you can see. Just top half with an orbital sander, 2 40 grit discs. My plan was to try and get this watertight by Christmas, but that ain't gonna happen now. The temperature's dropping, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to use paint on it. It does say down to 5 degrees, but it's probably better to wait till spring for it to warm up and start to paint. Also, the past couple of months we've had a lot of windy rainstorms, and the tarpaulin I did have on basically gave up. All the hoops had gone in it, so I had to order another one, which I ordered the thicker size of 175 grams a square metre. So now I've got 2 layers of cover, and I also made like a metal frame. You can't really see because I was going to start with the roof, but when I finished it was a bit too close to the frame and the back and the tarpaulin, so I had to start on the walls instead. As for the inside of the van, I can't remember where I got up to before, and I think I'd just finished the wall with the door on, but I decided to replace the other wall with all the timber just so that it was the same weight on each side and the same structure. So all that's done. Can't really see. There you go. And all sealed. I stripped the roof. I did a video, but there's not much to it until I'm going to do a video with stripping and insulating. So all that'll be done probably next. But it's all sealed, ready to go on the inside. There's a lot of dodgy electrics. That was in the roof, if you can see. Just connector blocks with the insulation basically right around it. I'll just show you a close-up of the wall. So I did some adhesive behind the timbers, and then on each side of the timbers I've also got a bead of adhesive on, so that they're all stuck firmly to the wall. And then when I come to putting the actual insulation on, they'll be getting stuck in as well. So this is how the van is. Front window I had to put a bit of damp repairing there. So that's where we're at. So like I said, I'm probably going to do the inside first because of the weather. Obviously with the little one, I haven't got as much time as I did, and the wife's obviously not at work now, so I used to do stuff when she went to work on the night after I got in. But the wet weather as well, I can't really let the kids play in the garden with it being cold and wet while I'm in the van. So yeah, see how it goes. Next update, hopefully, maybe January. Probably do the ceiling next. I'm going to be using foil insulation rather than using insulation, fibre insulation, just to keep the weight down, but also it should be better insulation, the R value and the U value. And then obviously in the walls I'm going to be using foil back foam insulation. I don't know what brand it'll be when I get it, because I don't know whether to get a brand new or just seconds. So we'll see, and I'll see you next time.